Hi, it's Angeline Sims here. I'm back again with another unboxing of the Galaxy Flip 4. So I did a live version of this video. It's up on my channel now if you want to see it. However, there is no sound. So I'm going to put that clearly in the description of that one. And we are going to have this one with the sound. Oh, I had so many things to say about this phone. But we're going to do this. We're going to get it right this time. So we are unboxing the Galaxy Z 4. We're comparing it to the 3. This is the 3 here. On this side, it is shiny and silvery, aluminum-y in all the wrong places. It is this phone. I had liked it. What? This looks like a little snack or something here. I'm getting distracted by the old phone. All right, so this phone is cream. I never really liked it too much. And I was just like, when they came out with the 4, I said, I need to get the 4 right now. So I'm going to get this 4, and we're going to look and compare the 3 to the 4. So let's get this out of the box. Oh wow, this is always seems a little harder. So this is the Z Flip. So yeah, I kind of ripped the box that part open to make it easier for me myself. I went with the dusty pink. The dusty pink, it's a little more pinker than it is here on the picture. This is white. This is ivory. This is dusty pink. It makes a huge amount of difference, a very big difference between the It makes a huge amount of difference between the two of them. We have our dusty pink and our white. So I did not like this color. I've been using a case, which makes it look dusty pink. This is the case, part of the case here I've been using. And so I was like, now they have a phone that's actually this color again. I liked it when I had the 2. I had in a rose gold color and I loved it. However, we are doing this one did not come in that color. It came in like silver. No, what color? Lilac. I didn't like the lilac, black, and this color. This is the best one I have, so I went with it. That's all they had. And I think something had happened. Oh, the last phone, this part, the screen on the camera cracked. But as you know, that one was a little different the way it was set up. So this is a lot bigger, wider, and this is more, oops, it's a lot bigger, wider than the 2 was, but that was the issue I was having. So let's open this up. Oh my goodness. Of course, I had to put it back after all that happened. And here we go. We have the phone. Wow, I like this a lot more already. So we have our matte finish, which I'm definitely loving. It gives more of a grip to the phone. Let me move this out of the way. It gives more of a grip to the phone. They look about the same size next to each other. They look pretty much the same, except for you can see it's a lot more bulkier here. These lips are thinner. And on the sides are straighter on the 4 than on the 3. When you turn it to this side, yes, you can definitely see the difference where this is, wow, they just stuck together like a magnet. And you see the difference here between the smooth edge and shiny finish, which is really nice, and the kind of thicker, more rounder. It feels more industrial. I mean, they're both metal, but it feels much more just the way it looks bulkier. So the way the curve is, ooh, they're magnetic here. So the way the curve is on this one, it's a lot more thinner than this one. Is a lot thicker and bulkier. So this is the sides of them. Now let's look at the space. Oh, the space looks pretty similar. Again, the phone just has a sleeker look, which is very good for a more modern phone. So that's the 2 of them side by side. So, and then the back, of course, they haven't made much difference. It's just chrome. I mean, the shiny, very slippery, shiny versus a more matte grippier side. So I like the finish of this. I like the touch of this. The shiny feels like slippery. Sometimes when I put it down, it like slowly slides places and moves around. It's ridiculous. I don't like that. But this, I don't have to worry about it on the 4 as much. All right, so inside it seems like it has more settings to sides to open. As you see, I didn't set it up yet. It has a lot more stages of openness. Let's see if this one has the same amount of stages. It has my background and everything up. Let's see. So this one does feel a lot more stiffer and harder. Let's see, that closes. Yeah, this one has a lot more stages. So at this stage, this one just closes. As you can see, it just if it's up to here, it closes. On this one, it still stays open until you have to fully close it. All right, so it has a lot more stages to stay open. Let me just take a good look at this one here by itself. Ooh, look at the time. That's not the actual time. Let me see. I was like, wait, that's not even the right date. I heard that it has different sections here that it wouldn't have to, but none of them are coming up right now because I have not set up the phone yet. It's on the welcome screen. I just took it out of the box. I turned it on. As you may have seen in the no volume one, I had to plugged it in and then it turned on. I guess it was sitting there for a while. This one, on the other hand, I've had it using. I don't really use the screen out here too much. Not gonna lie. For the most part, I might look at things here and there and have some widgets, but I usually use my phone to do a quick check. So it's nice to have the size of the screen. It's extra nice, especially when you're taking pictures. But for the most part, I don't really use it as much. However, with that being said, if they ever removed it or made it smaller like it was before, I'm sure I'd be upset. So let's look at this one some more, some details. All right, so it's a lot more smoother. What is this? This looks like 3 speakers here. I've never seen that before. Everything is focuses out. Let's see what's going on here. There we go. These are like 3 speaker spaces here. This is the same as was in the other one. All the ports pretty much are the same on both of them. It's just a difference on the sides with the bulkiness. The phones are exactly the same size. But for me, I'm gonna be honest with you. This difference of this extra lip and extra bulkiness really bothered me because it wasn't there in the 2, and now it has been there in the 4. I mean, it wasn't there. It was there in the 2. The 2 was smooth, not bulky. The 3 became bulky. I didn't like it. And this one's smooth again. So I'm very happy that this phone has come out and that it's much more comfortable and easier to use. All right, so one more quick look at the phone. I'm going to go back to the box and see what else came in the box. But here it is. Again, yes, very comfortable. Man, let me tell you, I love this one. I love that it's compact. Love that it just fits in your pocket. It fits in any small purse, large purse. It's very comfortable. Let's see what else we have in this box. So no, they didn't send it with any free buds. That would have been nice. However, I got it came with a charger, so they didn't. At least we're still getting a cord. That's good. So it came with the standard USB-C cord. Oh, it's USB-C on both sides. Interesting. I don't know what I'm going to use to charge this. No, I can charge it on any one of my devices. All of my laptops, computers, desktop all have this type of charge, so I'm not too worried. However, usually because USB-C is kind of universal right now, there's few items that I have that does not use a USB-C. I just have one plug at my desk and I use it to charge any phone that I have, my laptop, anything that I need charging. I have my watches to the side here. And again, I switched the it has a very USB with this type of holding, and I keep them here. And this is the other one. This one is actually my favorite one. Oh, that's my daughter playing with the cats. This is my favorite one so far. Love the big screen, and the comfort of the wristband. But this is not a review for the watches. But I like to, switch up the colors here and there, and depending on the type of look I'm going for, I switch it up a little bit. But I use the USB charger that plugs into the computer. So there's usually a USB-C port. So I'm probably going to use the USB-C port that goes into the computer as well. but the computer usually has a charger that uses USB-C, so that's what I use for all my devices, except for my watch chargers, which plugs directly into the computer itself. All right, so we have. Oh, also it came with a free case. Got to say mention that. So this came free. Silicone cover with a ring. I got navy blue because pink and navy blue seem to match nicely. I didn't want to get the same color as the phone. Get a little contrast color. So this is the case. I opened it up. I didn't put it on the phone yet. Maybe I should. Let's see how it looks with the case. Um, I feel that the case, let me see if the case actually does anything. Yes, yes, it does. The case, usually the phone is closed. So the first one I had, I never used the case. But the phone is, oh, this navy blue with this gold. Whoo, is so beautiful. It's so elegant. It's so serious. I love it. I love this. This is really nice. I'm gonna have to take out these two little tags. Just give me a second. The issue or the thing with the case is, yes, this phone's a closed phone, so you don't really need to have the case. However, these little camera things, this is the only thing that broke ever on the phone. It didn't break on this one, but it did on the two. It was a little more small and pronounced, but what the case does is it brings this level. So as you can see, you can't really see the cameras. The case is a little higher than the camera. So if it falls down, it doesn't just hit the camera as the point of contact or weight. So that is one good thing about the case, that the case protects you from. But I'm really liking this pinkish gold and navy blue, just elegant seriousness. I like it. It just looks really nice. Let me take off these two little stickies so I can put this case on properly. I'm gonna get this phone on and see how it goes. Get my all my information over from one to the next. But it's a very beautiful phone. I really like it. I actually like the 4 very much. It's beautiful. It's a lot more sleek. I think it's a lot more elegant than the two. I mean, the 3. They got very bulky with the 3, and I did not like that at all. So we have the 3 and the 4. Tell me in the comments which one you think you like better, even the 2, because between the 3 and the 4 and 2, I actually do like the 2 a lot as well. The 2 and the 4 are my favorite picks. I'm gonna go with the 4 because the 2 doesn't have this huge screen, and that is always lots of fun to have this nice screen. All right, so let me know which ones you best like in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will talk to you later. Goodbye now.